flood warning in effect from 4 a.m. to noon Friday. What? 1 to 2 feet of inundation above ground level is expected in low-lying areas near shorelines and tidal waterways. Where? Tidal areas in the New Jersey counties of Middlesex and Monmouth. When? From 4 a.m. until noon Friday. Impacts. At this level, widespread roadway flooding occurs in coastal and bayside communities and along inland tidal waterways. Many roads become impassable. Some damage to vulnerable structures may begin to occur. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth. Here is the extended forecast. Saturday night, mostly clear.